Here's the before. Check out my hair. If you could just feel it, you wouldn't believe how coarse and dry and brittle and horrible it is. I've been teaching swim for almost 13 years now, and that has not helped. Plus, I'm also 61, so that doesn't help matters. But anyway, let's check out the aftershot. Although I purchased this conditioner, I have partnered with the seller and may receive an extra commission. Before I show you the aftershot, I just want to tell you a little bit more about this conditioner. This is the most amazing conditioner I have ever used in my entire life. And it is so unique. I have never seen anything like it. Let me show you what it looks like. I mean, look at that. It's like a little liquidy. It just drops and it's really liquidy. So you just put about that much on your hand, and then after you wash your hair, of course, and then put it all over your head. Just make sure that you get it all in there. I start by, the top of my head, and then after that, I'll get a little bit more and I'll do the rest of my hair. When you go to put it in your hair, you feel it instantly hydrate it and instantly detangle it. I don't know how it works, but that's what happens. I don't know about you, but with me, with other conditioners, when I go to condition my hair, it takes a little while to just, putting my fingers through the hair, trying to detangle it, and eventually it does detangle. This, somehow, it instantly detangles. Like I said, I don't know how, but it does. It's amazing. And then not only that, but you don't even need to leave it on. Most of the conditioners, I usually leave in my hair for a few minutes and then I rinse out. This, you don't. You just put it in and you get it through your hair so much faster than regular conditioner, and then you rinse it and it rinses so much faster than regular conditioner, and you can use it up to 3 times a week, it says. On the product page, you'll see that it talks about the power of quinoa seed protein. So that must be the secret ingredient in here that makes it so unique. I'm going to show you what my hair looks like now. This is the aftershot. Definitely an improvement than before. I did mention that I am 61 years old. It's not going to make my hair perfect because my hair, like I said, it is so brittle. I have so much gray hair in there, and it seems like gray hair, I don't know if this is a fact or not, but it feels like gray, white, silver hair, whatever, just seems to be completely depleted of any sort of nutrients, any kind of moisture. So my hair is very dry, and it also just breaks easily. So, I still have like some, it's still kind of frizzy because it only grows so much and then it breaks. Nothing works for that. But it definitely feels more nourished, okay, and feels softer. And so there you go. I highly recommend it. I am so excited about this conditioner, and I think you're going to love it too.